So I'm using Infinite Platine and I'm just placing it through the ends slightly just to get that ombre effect. I'm wanting to merge it really, really well, so I've put lots of back combing in and I'm just mulching it through and just making sure that there are no definite lines through there. I've done lighter and heavier through the front area and then just distance it back. And then I'll just cover it with sweet mesh and wait for it to process. So the idea of this is to have a beautiful ombre look, but sort of heavier at the front so that it's more of a feature at the front and then lighter through the sides. With long hair you want it to be fairly low maintenance but still quite a fashion focus and quite punchy. Make sure that your powder lightness stops at the same symmetrical spot on each side so that one's not higher and that the back combing is even on both sides, otherwise you could have more concentration of colour. I always do more back combing when I want less colour, and I've actually done less right at the front because that's where I want the colour to frame the face. And now all I'm doing is just enhancing the natural colour through here, and I'm just going to put on a bit of a 7 just to give it some beautiful coverage and some shine and just spruce up the natural colour. So I'm just going to merge it through just to about there, and then I'm just going to piece it through just with my fingertips so that it doesn't actually meet the light colour. So it's just going to be subtly beautiful and rich through here and then just merged through to the lighter balayage. So I love the beautiful, intense, vibrant reflex that the RICHESSE gives you because it's an alkali colour. The shine is intense and it's quite a nice global colour, so it actually does sort of cover really, really well and gives that nice beautiful shine through there. I'm just putting some full volume mousse in just through the top so that we've got some nice amount of volume through there. Being so heavy, you don't want the hair to be very flat and then voluminous. You can see that the lighter pieces flow through into the darker shades, and I think it works and merges really, really nicely. Quite a natural look, and also Grace can play around with the reflex. Next week she could have a pink or pastel, peachy tone through the ends as well.